Hi guys, welcome back to Cheers.
Hi, we have a November favorites for you guys already.
Wow, hence the purple
Matching. We
going
really
on
didn't
fall.
plan this.
Totally not. But, oh. Okay.
Come here. The babes.
The baby. This is so me.
So me.
Oh god.
Oh. She loves hair.
She loves Chanel. But if you guys want to see what our favorites are for the month of November, then just keep watching.
I think I'll start with makeup because yes.
Sorry guys, I'm just letting her chill here, so if you hear some like little puppy barks,
Puppy
then
sounds.
yeah.
I got the Baby Got Peach palette from Lauder, and I've actually been digging into this. Like, I've really loved these two shimmer shades.
Oh yeah, I love
They
those.
literally go with any look. Glaze It and Ready or Yacht have been like my go-to. Like, I put brown on all over my lids. Like, what should I do as a pop of little glitter? And I usually pick one of those two shades. So I've just been loving it, and like, honestly, it's just really cute to look at.
It is. The peach.
Yeah, I will say though, like, these matte ones are brighter than they seem.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, they're like more red, but I've really been liking this. Like, I've pretty much worn it. If I'm like, today I wore like very no makeup, but like on the days where I just want a little more, I'll go in with those two shades.
Okay, to stick with like the peachy pinky theme, I'm gonna go with what I have on my lips today. It's the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. There's actually only two shades for the gloss bomb. I didn't know that until I went
they're
into
supposed to be
Sephora.
like universal.
Yeah, but there's like the one that I have on my lips today, which is more of like the rosy shade, like the darker shade, and then there's another lighter pinker shade, and I was having a really difficult time on which one I wanted to choose, and then I ultimately went with this, and I'm so happy I did because
Dude, it matches.
Dude, I've been, so you know like the nudie, like mauve-y kind of nude lips? This as a topper to any of those, so good, and I have it on my lips today.
It's super glossy.
It kind of looks a little bit reddish right now, but I'm not mad at it. I really like it. I think it's like a really, really nice gloss to have in the fall time. I think Gina has this color too.
Yeah, so I don't own it myself, but every time I'm around my cousin, I'm like, let me get some of that gloss bomb. And it smells delicious.
Dude, it smells like, yeah, honestly, I always want to lick my lips with this.
It smells like a vanilla.
It, like, but a tardy,
Cherry.
yeah, a tardy
Yeah,
vanilla.
like a cherry vanilla or something like that.
Strawberry or something.
Almond.
Oh, it reminds me of strawberry shortcake, the ice cream.
Strawberry shortcake.
Yeah, yeah. You know what I mean?
Yeah, kinda.
Okay, she's like not on board all the way.
Not all the way. It smells like something for sure. Like, it brings back a memory. But yeah, so cute.
So I've been loving it as a topper. Even if you don't have anything underneath your lips as like a base shade or something like that, this is still really pretty to put on just on nude lips, like literally nude lips.
And like, if you have dry lips, it makes it somehow look like amazing. It doesn't catch on any dry
That's so true. So I actually started using it because I wasn't at first such a big fan of the amount of gloss, just because I feel like have become a little bit more accustomed to like the matte look. But my lips were being real dry as usual, and so I popped this on and I was like, I feel so hydrated. And so I started wearing it kind of for like a moisturizing aspect, and now I like put it on because I like bringing in a little bit of luminosity and plumpness to my skin with the gloss bomb.
So cute. My next one is actually a little tester, but I've really been enjoying it. It's the Estee Lauder Take It Away Makeup Remover Lotion. And it works on waterproof makeup, and I wear like the Heroin Make like long and curl mascara, which is heavy duty. And this works really well. It's not oily though.
No, it's not.
Like, I don't know how the formula works, but it's like almost a gel-like consistency. It feels like aloe vera gel almost.
Really?
Yeah.
I always felt like it was like almost more watery than that.
Yeah, like it's like if you put it in your hand and you like
it'll drip.
It'll drip for sure, and like nothing will be on your hand. Like I don't know. So it is oil. Like, I do feel a little bit of oil, but like the consistency reminds me of like a Atomy Aqua cream, or like you know, like the gel creams, the clear one.
No, sorry.
It's like aloe vera gel. Like that's what it reminds me of.
Okay.
But I've been loving this, and like the fact that I don't have to use like cotton pads or any like other like extra expense. Like I don't know, I feel like I'm saving the planet a little bit and like getting my face clean at the same time. So I think I might purchase the bigger one because I like it. I think it's.
Do you like this better than like an oil cleanser?
I do.
Why? Because it's not oily?
Yeah.
That's why?
Because I don't like oil cleansers work great, but I hate it when it gets in my eyes. And then I feel like there's like an oily film in my eye.
Oh, that's true. Yeah. I don't mind it though because I just like, I'm a freak. And if that ever happens, I actually open my eyes and I like.
Oh, yeah, I can't. See, I'm the type, like she can put contacts in her eyes and I cannot. Like it doesn't work.
It just takes practice.
That's true. But like this doesn't get into my eyes too bad. Like leave the film.
Mm-hmm.
So
that's good.
Yeah, I've been really liking it for that, and I think I'm probably gonna get the bigger bottle just because like it works way better than my micellar water, and I feel like it's more gentle because it's not on like a cotton pad. Mm-hmm. It's just like on my fingers.
That's true.
So I've been really loving this.
My next one is the Elizavecca Galactomyces Pure Ampoule, and I actually recently just did a review on this, but I've been using it since then on a very consistent basis after that review. And honestly, I think this has been doing so well for my skin. Like my skin has been looking more even. I feel much more moisturized using it more frequently. During the time I had done the review for it, I only used it like up to 2 to 3 times a week and only at nighttime, but I'm literally using this every day, twice a day. So I think it's been making actually a good amount of difference to my skin. So I've been really loving this.
So cute bottle too.
I know.
The little pigs.
The little.
Speaking of Elizavecca, I also have another product from Elizavecca. You probably see, like, remember this from our Dulce haul. Mm-hmm. But it's the Elizavecca Milky Piggy Water Lock Hydrogel Melting Mask. And that's a heck of a long name, but it works amazing. Like the sheet, it's not a sheet mask, it's the gel mask. Dude. So it's like, and it comes in 2 pieces, so it really forms to your face, like the top half and then the bottom half, and it's like a see-through thick gel that just locks in all the moisture. And like, yo, this is bomb. Like I'll wear it to before I go to bed and like put the juices that are left over like on my neck and like everything, but I wake up the next morning and it is delightful, let me tell you. Like it's so good.
You're shining.
Yeah, like you wake up all dewy and like choke, and then like when you wash your face you can still
feel that
feel
film.
It, and you're just like,
you know it's been moisturizing throughout the night.
Yes, so I've been loving this. I feel like I would highly recommend this if you have dry skin like me. So yeah, I just, and it smells great. I love all of it.
Really? Okay.
Yes.
I'm excited because we're supposed to actually use this together.
Yes.
On like a get ready with us
yes.
type of thing. So.
Or like just a take care of yourself.
I could feel the gel in here.
It's thick.
Ooh, it's a thick one.
It's not one of those cheapy ones.
She's thick. Okay. My last favorite is another skincare product by THEPURI, and it is the Advanced Snail Repair Cream. And let me tell you, it's been repairing my skin.
Advancedly.
Yeah. Like if anyone knows or has tried out like the COSRX Snail Essence, it's essentially like the same idea, super moisturizing, and like if I ever have any zits or anything like that and I don't want it to scar, then I'll definitely go in with this. And honestly, it does such a good job of moisturizing.
Let me see this consistency. Dude, it looks like scientific.
And
oh yeah, it's like a thicker
it's like
version.
So goopy. But
it sounds so good. It's like Elmer's glue.
But like, okay, so I'll take my finger and like, did you see that?
That's slime!
Like,
ew, that literally looks like a freaking booger.
Look at that. It's so goopy.
It's very viscous.
Yeah, and then I'll let you try it out on your finger. But so very like mucusy,
mucky.
And it's just like, the texture is just so smooth. I got this as a present from Roy's mom. But yeah, it's formulated with 92% snail extract, and it's an all-in-one facial care and skin repairing cream.
Low-key smells like Shiseido skincare.
Yeah, and I tend to only use this at nighttime, but when my skin's doing real bad, then I always go in with it as like the last step in my skincare routine before I put on the makeup. And despite the goopiness and stuff like that, it's actually lightweight enough that it's not going to start causing my makeup to peel. Dude, which is what I love.
That's what I hated about the Cosrx hyaluronic acid cream. If you wear it under makeup and you like pounce your sponge, it like pills.
So this one didn't pill, which I really appreciated.
Does it make your foundation like stick though? Because it's like,
oh,
you know what I mean? Like a primer almost?
Yeah, I don't know if I really got that.
It actually does. It absorbs really fast. I guess it would depend like how soon after you put your makeup on.
Yeah, I mean, even though it is really lightweight, like I can still feel it on my hands.
Oh yeah, like you feel something's on it, but it's not like...
It's not, yeah, it doesn't feel like super like sticky or, I don't know, it's just like a film of moisture. Yeah, so I've been really enjoying it. All right, well, those are our monthly favorites. As usual, please let us know what you've been enjoying and if you think we should try any of the products you've been loving, or even if, you know, you've been curious about a product and you're just like, yo, don't want to spend the money, you guys
tell me about it.
We would be more than happy to do so. And don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the Cheers family if you liked us, and
ring the notification bell
if you want to see more content like this. And as always,
cheers to a good week, guys. Bye.
The puri.
The puri.
The puri.
Or is it the puri?
Puri keep namu.